Hello, my name is Dr. Guy Annunziata, and in this short video, I'm going to talk about how to clear the cache from your browser. A lot of people don't know what cache is. Cache is basically information that your browser stores when you go to a website. So the first time you go to a website, your browser will store certain information so that the next time you go to that website, the website opens a lot quicker. So the main reason for cache data is basically to make the loading time faster. If the device already has the layout of the website saved in the form of cache data, it won't have to load that up again, and it quickens the process of loading the website. Now, while cache data is very helpful for computers, smartphones, and tablets, it can take up space on your device, and it may, over a period of time, get corrupt. Now, this can cause some major problems for your computer, and it'll sometimes interfere with the smooth playback of your DC Hour courses. That's why we're taking the time here to go over this with you, and that's also why we recommend that you clear your cache every week. It's just good computer hygiene. One other thing I want to mention before we get to the information here is if you are using a computer that has Windows 7 or Windows 8, you really need to be using Google Chrome as your browser. We have run into some major issues with Windows 7 or Windows 8 if you're using Internet Explorer 10 browser. So that combination of Windows 7 or 8 with Internet Explorer 10 doesn't really work very well. However, if you're using Windows 7 or 8, go ahead and use Google Chrome. It works just fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at how do we remove the cache from Google Chrome. If you're using Chrome, I'm going to also talk about how to remove it from Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. Those are the four big browsers that everyone typically uses. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the Google Chrome browser. Open up a Google tab, and in the upper right-hand corner right here, you'll see you can scroll over these three dots. It says Customize and Control Google Chrome. If you click on that, you come down here to More Tools, and then go to Clear Browsing Data. This window will open up, and it'll ask you what you want to clear. I like to usually check off browsing history. I'll clear that. I'll clear the download history. Absolutely, you want to clear your cached images and files. I typically leave my cookies, I leave my passwords, and I leave my autofill form data. If you want to clear those out, you can do those as well, but I like having those, and they're not going to interfere with my the running of the DC Hour courses. Once you've got what you have checked off, the main one you want to check off is the cached images and files. Just go here and click Clear Browsing Data, and it'll just take a second, and you're done. So basically it's that simple. Next, we're going to go over how to clear the cache in Firefox. Okay, so here we are in a Firefox browser window, and we're going to clear the cache in Firefox. All you need to do is go here with this little, looks like a hamburger. Go ahead and click on that, and then click on the History menu, and then you just click on Clear Recent History. And this new window will open up, and inside this window you'll see all the things that'll ask you what you want to clear. So I don't want to clear my active logins. The main one that I want to clear, once again, is my cache. I don't clear cookies. I typically don't clear, well, I will clear form and search history and browsing and download history. But really, if you don't want to clear those, you don't have to, but the main one is the cache. Click the Clear Now button, and it's that simple. It's done. Next, we're going to go over Internet Explorer. So here we are in Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is an easy one. Just come up here to the gear icon, click on the gear icon, and then go to the Safety, and then come over here to Delete Browsing History, and this window will open up, and just like the others, we're going to select the ones that we want to clear. So we can clear our download history, our history, cookies and website data. That's the one that you want to clear in this one. Here it says preserve favorites and website data. You can do that if you'd like, but just make sure that this one is checked off, cookies and website data, and then click delete, and it's that easy. It's done already. Okay, so here we are in Microsoft Edge, and with Microsoft Edge you come up to the top right hand corner. You've got these three little dots. Go ahead and click on those three little dots, and then you're going to work your way down here to Settings. And when you click on Settings, this window will open up, and down at the bottom here it'll say Clear Browsing Data, and just click Choose What to Clear. And then you could check off what it is that you want to clear. The one thing that you need to clear is this one right here, Cache Data and Files. I don't care if you don't check anything off except that, that's fine. If you want to clear your download history or your browsing history, you can do that as well. And then just hit Clear. And that's it. It's that quick. It's all done. So basically, what we've learned is we've learned how to clear the cache in Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. And like I said earlier, you really want to do this at least once a week. It's just good computer hygiene, and it'll make your DC Hour courses run better. One last reminder, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8, you really need to use Google Chrome. Do not use Windows 7 or Windows 8 with Internet Explorer 10. You will definitely run into trouble if you do that. Okay, that's it. If you have any problems, give me a call.